Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. And this video explains Smartwatch. This is very good watch for you. So don't waste the time. Let's go to the video.
Personalized iWatch Series 8 Double Tour Slim Apple Watch compatible band for women. 38mm, 40mm, 42mm, 44mm. Custom genuine leather thin iWatch strap brown, pink, red, black, leopard handmade. VENOULT brand was established by Amit Karkar, a leather designer, as a brand that produces handmade leather products. We offer innovative products to you by emphasizing an innovative understanding with the products we produce. Due to our understanding of giving utmost importance to workmanship and product quality, we use only genuine leather material in our products. Genuine leather is a material that is compatible with both human health and the environment.
If you enjoy the video, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.